Hello everybody, this is Chow. Today's lesson I'll be discussing on how to build your own invoices. I won't go down to very detailed, but I'll show you examples of how to do it. Okay, simple examples, nothing complex. All right, so that you can get started off with the building your own invoices. All right. Now we will have uh, we have in fact created two templates, template 4 and template 7. If you want to get a copy of the 4 and 7, email to us and let us know, and then we will give you that file so that you can upload. Right. So what I'm going to do today is going to do a simple one. Right. To start off, we create a new invoice format. Now, in the new invoice format, okay, I'm going to start off with just one simple one. Okay. Now, I'm going to create a label. Right. The label is test label. Okay. And the font types, I'm going to give a courier. Right. And so I will call this hello world. So this in programming, this is the first thing that you learn. And I'm going to show you this first thing that you learn. Right. The style, okay, normal, okay, means that it's the normal style, right? And the size is 11. Let's say you choose 11, something big, okay, 300, 300, okay, and that's it. You're not going to do anything else. So what happens is that I want to print hello world on the PDF document, okay? So, and what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to save this document by clicking here, okay? Done. Okay, so once you've done, the next thing is that you go back to your sales screen. All right, the sales screen, I have a sales transaction created earlier, and I'm going to select them, and you see that I would have a um, test form. Did I use a test form? What? Okay, I can't remember what I used earlier. Customize. This one? No, not this one. It was probably a different one. No, not this. Okay, probably let me find out. It's probably this. Okay, I did not give any name, so therefore nothing will come up. You can't do any editing. So what I'm going to do is going to delete this away. Okay, I'm going to start all over again and creating a form, and I'm going to give a name, say sales invoice sample. Okay, hello world, hello world example. All right, and then next thing, I'm going to give a label to this called hello world. Rear, normal, size 11 at 300 followed by 300, right? So we just make it very simple, right? Just print the label, that's all. And I'm going to save this by clicking on here, or you can type F8. Okay, so now you have done that, come back to here and click onto the sales. In the sales, okay, you'll find a hello world example here, right? So if I were to print, okay, from here, preview, you'll find that the hello world is displayed here, okay, and nothing else, right? So you need to build the entire invoice. How do you do that? The question is, the way to do it is go back to your design, okay, customize, hello world, okay. First thing you need to know is that you want to position X. What is X? Okay, if you remember, if you're in Form 5 that time, you study your coordinates, X and Y. That is what the X and Y represents. Okay, so the bigger the number you give over here, you move to the right. The smaller the number, you move to the left. All right. So the smallest number you can give to this is actually a 0 or 1. Okay. So So if we try to give a number that is lesser than 1 or 0, okay, then you can't see the label at all. Okay, the label either get truncated if it's too far off, okay, minus 100, okay, you can't see the hello world. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the effect of having it as 1. All right, so, and I'm going to press F8 from now onwards, okay, show so that I can move fast with this. Now, I'm going to start with a new tab, okay, and a new tab, click on sales, okay, and I would have an old tab that shows the screen that I'm doing, the invoice form that I'm customizing, and I've got a sales form over here, sales transaction. All I have to do is click preview. Okay. Oh, sorry, I chose the wrong one. I have to choose this one. Okay. Preview. Okay. You'll find that my hello world now moves to the left. Okay. If you want to move to the right, then you give a number to it. Make the number bigger. Okay. So the maximum number that we have found out is actually 580. Okay. We believe it's 580. I'm going to save it. Okay. I'm going to run it again. Okay. That's it. 580 is the one of the largest number, maybe 590 or 600. All right. So that is the largest number you can give. You can assign to your right hand side. Okay. Otherwise, you can't see the content at all. Right. So now back to this again. Okay. If I set to 10, 100. Okay. Then it come out nicely on the left hand side. 100. Okay. There, 100 spacing, 100 pixel, we call it. Okay. Now, 300 is from 300 from here, bottom, okay, up to the top, right? Now, the maximum that can go over here, the whole PDF document is basically 800 and I think 800 or 900, right? So you can go anything bigger than that. So you need to do some minor adjustment before you try it out and make sure the effects, that you like the effects and so on. Now, this is just the label. You can draw lines, okay? I can draw one line, I can draw one line, okay? And the line width is 1, and followed by my lines is actually 100, okay, 100 to 200 to 200, all right? If I do this, okay, save this, what will happen? You will see that lines appearing here, okay? So you can draw as many lines as you like, okay? So to customize the invoice format, all right? So what about the drawing here, box? Box is that, okay, I'm going to change this to 0.5, okay? And I'm going to have another one which is the 0.3, okay? So that you can see the effect. In fact, I will find that actually the 0.5 gives you a very nice effect. Okay, so I'm going to do another one, a box, draw a box. All right, my box is going to be 1, okay, or 3, okay, 10, or can give 10, and 15, or 200, 400, okay, 400, okay, 20, 20, okay. So I can give a width of 20 and height of 20, right, at that position of X and Y. Now I'm going to save this, okay, and see what happened to that. And there you go. Okay, and this is what you have drawn. All right. So the bigger, the thicker the font width, okay, and this is what you're going to get. Okay, the thicker it is, okay, this is the font. This is how it will look like. All right. So if you make it smaller, assuming you make it smaller, okay, same again, you find that it becomes a square box. Okay, it comes out nicely. All right. So this is the way you can customize and customize the invoice format. Now we will give you some samples, okay? You can take the samples and start making changes to meet your requirements, all right? So it's very easy, not very difficult. You just need to put in a little bit of effort to do it. Now, the next things that I just want to highlight is the page. You can have your page and format. You can use the, this represents the page number of how many total pages, okay? And you can indicate your position, 100, okay, 800, all right? And save it. When you do it that way, the system will actually automatically calculate how many pages and what is the current page for you, okay, as you can see over here, all right? So you can give any format that you want it to be, but this question mark represents your current page, and this hashtag is actually your total pages, all right? Now, I want to include images, okay, into the system. Now, assuming I want to upload a new image, right? Choose a file, right? And I choose, let's say, okay, I choose a file called now, and I upload, okay, logo ES accounting. When I've done that, I've got this logo uploaded here, okay? Now go back to your customized invoice, hello world, okay? You'll find that, okay, there's this logo over here. Now, if you want to use this logo, you must check this on show. If you have never checked it on, okay, then the system will not show. And I will show it at the at 10, okay, where position of say 100, 700, and the width is 500. Okay, height is maybe 100. Okay, so this is my setting that I've defined for the images. And I save it. Okay, and I print it now. There you go. Okay, so the parent is not my company logo, it's somebody else's logo. Okay, so this is how you can include images to your invoice format. So if you find that the position is out a bit, then you just have to do some adjustment again to the X and Y position. Okay, so you have to play around with this to get it perfect. All right. So this is one way for you to customize the invoices, and I hope that you enjoy using this, okay, to do a beautiful invoice format for yourself. Now, outside now, in our sample, okay, when you request for sample, right, we will give you something like this. Okay, the content will look something like this. Right? If you go to our community, ES community, we'll give you a content that looks like that. Okay, it's very hard to understand what it is all about. Doesn't matter. All you have to do is just copy this. Okay, copy the entire thing, right? And then paste it over here. Once you paste it over here, you can build back the rules that we have created earlier. Okay, so let me start that all over again. Let's say I'm creating a new invoice format form. Everything is blank. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I've copied just now. Now I paste it back. Okay, set rule. Okay, you'll find that. Okay, my definition has been reconstructed back again. And I've got hello world and followed by the lines drawn and also the boxes. Okay, so this is how you can use. To copy the source code and paste it back to yourself. Use our template and rebuild back your invoice template. Okay, so and then save it, and that's the end of today's video. Right? If you have any other questions, let us know. Right? We'll help you out as much as we can. Thank you. Bye.